everyone, and how are you and my coach? And how are you feeling? How are you feeling now? I'm good. And today I want to show you some rules about linking sounds and T sounds. Okay, let's start with linking sound. First rule, consonant and vowel. Okay, I want to give you some examples. Tell us, teach us, find out, hold on, the novel, tell her I miss her, read only, follow up home, come in, calling, sell it, take out, praise away, sick soul, and they take over, look up, it's open, make a witch, he sent the lie, live in Malone, let's sit now, call another friend, jump up and down, by red envelope, what's up, how's it going, run away, take it easy, what is, always, with us, help you, believe in you, depends on, can I, get off, that's okay. In our second rule, consonant and consonant. Business door, resist check. The top 5, sell 9 new cars. Down, some plans lock, check country, both days. And third rule, vowel and vowel. Why go anywhere? So wise. To wow, no war, you are, too often, is, he always, be away, USA. Fourth rule, sound stand in front of the or you or who sounds. Let me give you some phrase. Can't you, let you, not yet, don't you, haven't you, picture, did you, could you, by your education, yes you are, bless you, bless your car, bless yourself, how saw, who saw, what saw, where saw. Okay, and then T sound. University, city, water, exciting, meeting, and silent T. Internet, interview, intonation, important. Okay, and then I want to pass to a passage from effortless English called changed. Okay, my husband of 39 years no longer has me or shows me any affection. I have seen him through cancer and diabetes. We have 4 grown children and we have been seeing a therapist for a year and a half. He is kind, generous and friendly, but there are no compliments or any of the flirtatious banter we used to enjoy. She swears he's not having an affair and he doesn't know why he has changed. Perhaps you do. Okay, I have just finished my video. I hope that you like it. and see you next time. Bye bye.